Good day, dear learners. Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Doc Gilmac. Are you ready, guys, for the next lesson? So if you're ready, just sit back, relax, and listen carefully to the topic to be discussed for today. Alright, class, let's begin! The topic I will be discussing for today's lesson is all about solving simple algebraic expressions applications. How do we solve applications of algebraic expressions? Number 1, we must understand the problem. Write down the given facts on the problem and determine what is asked in the given problem. Number 2, write the equation or inequality. The first thing you have to do is to represent the unknown number, unknown facts in the given problem. Then, write an equation. Number 3, solve the equation or inequality and state the answer. So you must perform the given operation to be able to determine the answer of the given problem. Number 4, check whether it corresponds the correct answer to the given problem. Before discussing examples on problems involving algebraic expressions, let's have first a warm-up drill. Consider letter A, give the correct representation of each verbal phrase in mathematical symbols. 1. The sum of a number x and 2. When we talk about sum, it represents an addition operation. Sum of a number x and 2 is simply x plus 2. 5 times a number decreased by 7. When we talk about decrease, it is simply a subtraction operation. 5 times a number x, meaning you multiply x to 5. So we have 5 times a number x decreased by 7 is 5x minus 7. 8 subtracted from 6 times a number x. When we talk about 6 times a number x, you simply multiply 6 by x. And 8 subtracted from 6x, 6 times a number, is simply 6x minus 8. A number x decreased by 4. Again, decrease is simply a subtraction operation. So we have x minus 4. Twice a number x less than 5. Twice a number is simply 2x. Less than 5 is 5 minus 2x. So take note of that. Consider letter B. Evaluate the expression at the given value of x. Number 1. X plus 2 at x equals negative 5. So we have the given x plus 2 at x equals negative 5. Simply substitute negative 5 to x. Then we have negative 5 plus 2. We add negative 5 and 2. Then we simplify. This is simply equal to negative 3. So negative 3 is our answer. If we let X be the age of Christian, this implies that the age of his mother is simply X squared plus 10. So from here, we substitute X with 4 since the age of Christian is given, which is 4. So we have 4 squared plus 10, which is just equal to 16 plus 10, which is equal to 26. Therefore, the age of Christian's mother is simply equal to 26. Consider illustrative example number 2. Angelo played 4 quarters of basketball. He had 15 points in the 4th quarter, more than twice the number of his score for the 1st quarter. And in both 2nd and 3rd quarter, he had 3 points more than the 1st quarter. If he had only 2 points in the 1st quarter, how many points does he had scored? The first thing we have to do here is to understand the given problem by simply writing down the given facts, determine what is asked in the given problem. As you can see here, the given facts in the given problem are highlighted. Total points scored. Take note, T is simply equal to the whole 4 quarters Angelo scored in playing basketball. It is given here that Angelo scored 2 points in the 1st quarter, wherein we represented the 1st quarter to be equal to X. So let us just substitute X equals 2 in the given equation. So from here we have 2 plus quantity 3 plus 2 plus quantity 3 plus 2 plus the quantity 15 plus 2 times 2. Let's simplify. This is just equal to 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 19. So, therefore, the total number of points Angelo scored is 31 points. This is simply our final answer. Before we leave the discussion, let me first read to you a simple passage coming from the Bible. Matthew chapter 6 verse 34. Therefore, do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own. Take note, class. Skills are developed through constant correct practice, and there will always be a room for improvement. That's all for today. Stand by for my next lesson. Stay safe, everyone, and may God bless us all.